viewers, this is the Smart Exceller. Welcome back. For the past 10 videos, I'm doing conditional formatting for checking the common actors, also common factors and common criterias. So this way, I'm going to show you in a single row how we can have the maximum values. We can highlight the maximum, the highest values. So you can refer to my previous videos on index matching so that we can have a clear picture of what we are doing. And if you want to see which is the highest value in this sheets in this common in this row and every row, so I'll be showing you the things which can be highlighted instead of making the vendor 6 or vendor 5. So the first thing is you have to do is I have been giving screen tips away. Select the area without header. So select the area without header and then go to conditional form, home, conditional format, new rules, and go to use formula to determine which cell to format. And here you have to give this as first cell will be this one. So first cell, and there you have to make it hit F4 3 times, 1 2 and 3. So there is no other, there is no cell references, and you have to give it equal to, and you have the formula max. For maximum highest value you have to write max, and for minimum value you have to write minimum. So I'll be showing max and the range. So the range will be the first one, but here you can see there's a dollar sign. So what I'll be doing is hitting F4 1 2 times, so the dollar sign can be in the beginning. So this will be for the column wise 1 and 2, and I'll be closing the parenthesis, going to format, and I'll be selecting some fancy color. So you are very good in selecting the colors which are the best, and doing OK. So you can see the highest values have been selected here and there. So if you want to make this as a 0, now you can see there's a duplication and both the values have been selected. These both are highest values. So you can check over here. If you want, you can just remove this here, and you can see this is the highest value here. So if you want to do the same, you can do for the lowest also. That I'll be showing in the next video. I hope you get this video useful. Please share this video and please give me a comment. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.